Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover files with Recuva, full guide step by step clearly. Download Recuva from the official website. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the Recuva installer to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, launch Recuva by finding it in your applications. A welcome wizard will appear to guide you through the recovery process. Click Next to begin. Choose the type of file you want to recover. Options include pictures, music, documents, or all files. Click Next after making your selection. Next, specify the location where the files were last stored. You can select options like a specific folder or the entire drive. Click Next to proceed. You will now see an option for a deep scan. Check this box for a more thorough search or leave it unchecked for a standard scan. Click Start to begin the scanning process. The scan may take several minutes, depending on the size of the drive. After the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. You can preview files by selecting them from the list. Choose the files you wish to recover by checking the corresponding boxes. Click the Recover button to initiate the recovery. When prompted, select a safe location to save the recovered files. Avoid saving them to the same drive to prevent overwriting data. Click OK to start the recovery process. After recovery, navigate to the folder where you saved the files. Verify that your files have been successfully restored. If necessary, repeat the process for any additional files. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.